What's up guys, so today I'm going to be painting my bumper, rear bumper. There's some little scratches, a little ding from when I hit it with a rotor, and the paint crinkled a little bit. So now we're going to sand this and we're going to make this car look like new again. Let's get started. We get started by stripping this bumper naked. Let's remove these clips. Everything is frozen on this bumper, so it's hard to get off without breaking it. We then take 180 grit to remove any imperfections. Using a heat gun, we heat the plastic up to level out any existing bond. In order to have a clean surface, we use a blowgun to blow off any existing dust. To activate this dolphin, you want to apply a bead of hardener straight across in one line. Mix well and work fast. This stuff dries pretty quick. Mix and mix until you get one uniform color. Damn, look at this beautiful shine.